Write the following functions. Write the following functions in simplest form. In simplest form. Simplest form. Okay, na? Write the following in simplest form. So in this one, fifth problem is completed. In this one, fifth problem is completed. I am going to start sixth problem. Everyone see, sixth problem is tan inverse of 1 by root over x square minus 1. So this is the given problem. First, everyone, you have to remember sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So in this one, which is the suitable substitution we can observe in this substitution. Here 1 by is there, 1 by cot we can get means 1 by cot reciprocal is the tan. Easy for doing the problem. So 1 by cot is required. That's why I am going to apply the cot formula. Cosecant square theta minus 1. Therefore, let x is equal to cosecant theta. If necessary, theta is equal to cosecant inverse x. So if necessary, once again see, here is the 1 by is there, 1 by is there. That's why 1 by cot will become as a tan. 1 by tan will become as a cot. But here is the tan inverse is there. That's why you should write 1 by cot is the tan. So that's why I'm taking the cot formula. Therefore, cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cos square theta. That's why I will take x is equal to cosecant theta. I will substitute tan inverse of 1 by root over cosecant square theta minus 1. So tan inverse of 1 by root over cot square theta. Okay, na? Tan inverse of 1 by cot theta. Why mean? Modulus x is given by positive. All x values is positive. No question of negative. Already condition is given. Modulus x is greater than 1. All are positive values. No question of negative values. Therefore, root also I will take as a positive value. Therefore, so tan inverse of 1 by cot is the tan theta. Now tan and tan inverse is cancelled. Theta. What is the theta? Means cosecant inverse x. That's enough. This is the problem number 6 is clear. I will write problem number 7. Everyone see problem number 7. Here problem number 7 is what they are going to given uh, tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here also x must be less than 180. Means x must be less than 180 means it should be in the it should be, we are going to take it as a first quadrant only. Okay, na? So therefore, here is what I am going to write 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta. Formula is 2 sine square theta. Here is the 2 theta. Here is the only single theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Formula is 2 cos square theta. Here is the 2 theta. Here is the half theta only. Okay, now write down. So this is tan inverse of root over 2 sine square theta by 2 by 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 should be cancelled. It will become as a tan square theta. Therefore, tan inverse of, so root over tan square theta. Everyone observe tan square theta. Okay, na? Tan square theta by 2. Here, x angle is a less than 180 mean. We can take angle is a 180 less than 120, we can 150, whatever it may be, it is first quadrant only. So theta is the 120 by 2, 60 degrees. Here is a, now we can see x by 2 is less than pi by 2, means first quadrant. Theta by 2 is belonging to the first quadrant only. Therefore, positive we can take tan inverse of tan of theta by 2. Now tan and tan inverse is cancelled. Theta by 2 we can write it as a 1 by 2 into theta. Okay, na? 1 by theta by 2 we can write the simple value is the theta by 2. Is it clear, everyone? So here is the x. Sorry, here is the x. Here also x. Here is the x by 2. X by 2. Here also x by 2. Here is the x by 2. Here is the x by 2. Here the answer also x by 2. And x by 2 is the first quadrant. X by 2 is the first quadrant. X by 2 is the first quadrant. First quadrant. Therefore, first quadrant means we take the positive value only. Is it clear? X by 2. This is the x by 2 is the answer. Here also x by 2. Here also x by 2. Here also x by 2. Okay, na? Here also x by 2. Here also x by 2. Here also x by 2. Okay, na? Here also x by 2. Now it is clear, everyone. Seventh problem also clear, na? Right. I go through the eighth problem. Everyone observe eighth problem is tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by denominator is the cos x plus sin x. Condition is 0 less than x less than pi. 0 less than x less than pi. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see the simplest form is required. Divide with cos x, automatically it is converted as a first quad, converted as a tan. So numerator and denominator divide by cos x. Divide by cos x. Why cos x dividing? Outside is the tan inverse, inside also tan is required. Outside is the tan inverse, inside is the tan is required. Tan inverse and tan both should be cancelled. So now the tan inverse of cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x by denominator is cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x. Now it will become as a tan inverse of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. What is the formula about this one is? So 1 means 45. So 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Now we can observe. So tan inverse of 1 means tan 45 minus tan x by 1 plus tan 45 into tan x. Tan 45 into tan x. Tan 45 is the 1 into tan x is the tan x. So here is tan of a minus b formula. What is the tan of a minus b formula? Is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a into tan b. It is in the formula of tan of a minus b. This is the tan of a minus b formula. I will write tan inverse of tan of, so a minus b pi by 4 minus x. Here x is 0 to pi by 4 means it is a positive na negative na we can see. So x is 0 to pi by 4 means it is a positive na negative na, compulsory it will become as a pi by 4. So it must be, so everyone here tan and tan inverse must be cancelled. Therefore we get the answer is pi by 4 minus x. Pi by 4 minus x. So both sides we can take. So multiply with, so everyone, one time you can see the answer is exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Problem number is 8. Problem number S, pi by 4 minus x. Pi by 4 minus x. How it is pi by 4 minus x? I will both are cancelled. I will represent. What about the conditions are? So here condition is observed. X must be lies between multiply with minus. 0 is the always 0, greater than minus x, greater than minus pi. So reverse order, minus pi less than minus x less than 0. Add pi by 4, minus pi plus pi by 4 is less than pi by 4 minus x less than pi by 4. Now simplification is a minus 3 pi by 4 less than pi by 4 minus x less than pi by 4, means it should be lies between minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4. Minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4 means it should be in the reverse order. So what is the reverse order? In minus 3 pi by 4. Minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4. This is the minus 3 pi by 4. See, this is the 3 pi by 4. Now we are going to minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4. It should be lies in between. It should be lies in between. Okay, na? It should be lies. All right. Minus 3 pi by 4. Minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4. It should be lies between in this one concept only. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Ninth problem. What is the given ninth problem is? Everyone observe. Ninth problem is tan inverse of x by root over a square minus x square modulus x is less than a means x must be less, positive. Here x must be positive. What is the suitable substitution with one time observe? Here suitable substitution, tan inverse is given. Here tan is required. Tan is required. Tan is required means what is the suitable substitution is? Everyone observe. Here sin by cos required. Sin by cos required. Sin by cos required. That's why x I will take it as a x I will take it as a sin theta. If necessary, x by a is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a is equal to theta. If necessary, I will write. So tan inverse of x plus a sin theta by root over a square x plus the a square sin square theta. A square sin square theta. A x is positive, therefore tan inverse of, so x is positive, tan inverse of a sin theta. A square comes outside, root is the positive a value, root over 1 minus sin square theta. So a cancel, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So tan inverse of, so sin theta by root over cos square theta. Okay, right? So always positive only. So tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta. This is the tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta. Now both are cancel. What is the theta value? Should be right now. Theta. What is the theta? Answer is the sin inverse of x by a. X must be less than a. X is a is positive. X also positive. Okay, na? Right. 10th question. Everyone see the 10th question. 10th problem is, everyone observe the 10th problem. What is the 10th problem is? Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3ax square. So x place write down, let x is equal to a tan theta. So therefore x by a is equal to tan theta. If necessary, tan inverse of x by a is equal to theta. So put in the box. Now start the problem. So here is tan inverse of 3a square, x means a tan theta minus a tan theta whole cube, x plus is the a tan theta whole cube by a cube minus 3a tan theta whole square. First to simplify one. So tan inverse of 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta by a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. Okay, na? Right. Everyone, a cube is take common and cancel. Tan inverse of a cube is common. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by denominator is a cube is common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So here a cube is cancelled. It is the formula of tan 3 theta. It is the formula of tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of, so tan inverse, it is the formula of tan 3 theta. It is the formula of tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta formula is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Therefore, tan 3 theta formula Therefore, tan and tan inverse cancel. 3 theta. What is the theta value, CM? 3 times of tan inverse of x by a is the required simplest form. Right. Find the values of next one, C. Find the values of each of following. Each of the following. Each of the following. Each of the following. Find the values of each of the following. First one, 11th problem. Its value is required. Its value is required. Everyone see. Tan inverse of bracket 2 cos bracket 2 sine inverse of 1 by 2. Right. Everyone same. So I do the problem. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. Write down sine value. Tan inverse of bracket 2 cos of bracket 2 sine inverse of 1 by 2 is the sine 30 degrees. 1 by 2 is the sine 30 degrees. Sine and sine inverse is cancelled. So tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 into 30 is the 2 into 30 is the 60 degrees. That is the tan inverse of 2 into cos 60 value is the 1 by 2. 2 cancel. What is the remaining is the tan inverse of 1. 1 means in tan is the tan inverse of tan 45 degrees. Tan and tan inverse is cancelled. What is the answer is 5 by 4 is the value of the given problem. Okay, now? Right. Everyone write on the 12th problem. See the 12th problem. 12th problem is cot of tan inverse of A plus cot inverse of A. Already I tell properties. So sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to 90. Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to 90. Next, secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of x is equal to 90. Its proofs also I will give. Already I have given the proofs. So by this formula, so cot of this value is the 90 degrees. Cot 90 value is the 0. That's enough. 13th problem. Tan of 1 by 2 bracket sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. Right. Everyone observe. So already we know that sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So next, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. For all these, what is the formula? Only one formula. What is the formula? Is 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x. Okay, na? 2 tan inverse x. Everyone, we can use that formula. 2 tan inverse x. Only one formula we have. Only one formula, that is the 2 tan inverse x is the formula. Okay, na? 2 tan inverse x is the formula. Simply I will write tan of 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Here is the x, that's why 2 tan inverse. Here is the y, 2 tan inverse y. Next one, 2 take common and cancel. Tan of 1 by 2. 2 is common. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Here 2 is cancelled. Tan of, formula already know that, tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan and tan inverse is cancelled. X plus y by 1 minus xy is the answer. Fourteenth problem. Everyone see the 14th problem. Fourteenth problem is, if sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Right. First, I will take the problem. Sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to 1, means sine 90 degrees. Okay, na? Sine and sine should be cancelled. X value is required. This sine inverse bring on the cos inverse of x is equal to 90 minus sine inverse of 1 by 5. Cos inverse bring on the right side. X is equal to cos of 90 minus sine inverse of 1 by 5. 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, first quadrant. So first quadrant, cos is positive, 90 name changes to sine, remaining angle is the theta. Okay, na? So x is equal to sine of theta. Theta placing the sine inverse of 1 by 5. Sine and sine inverse cancel. X is equal to 1 by 5 is the answer. Next, 15th problem. Everyone observe 15th problem. Fifteenth problem. If tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2, x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. This is the important question. So everyone observe. So I am going to write the problem is solution is tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. We know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula is, what is the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, now use that formula. Tan inverse of x place is the x minus 1 by x minus 2. Y place is the x plus 1 by x plus 2. By denominator is 1 minus x place is the x minus 1 by x minus 2. And y place is the x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Is equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse bring on the right side. Tan inverse come this side. Tan will become LCM, write down x minus 1 into x plus 2 less x minus 2 into x plus 1 upon LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 2 upon, right, upon by the cross multiplication x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 upon, what is the upon x minus 2 into x plus 2. Both LCMs are cancelled. Tan inverse this side, tan of pi by 4. Tan of pi by 4. Already we know that tan 45 value is 1. Now multiply and write down. Here I will write, everyone see, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 plus x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 minus 2x minus 2. Is it clear? One time same x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. X square plus x minus 2x minus 2. By denominator is, what is the denominator? X square minus 4 minus of x square minus 1, a plus b into a minus b is equal to tan 45 value is 1. Tan 45 value is 1. Okay, now here minus 2x plus 2x minus x plus x is cancelled. So what is the remainder? Minus x square plus x square is cancelled. What is the remaining is 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 3 is equal to 1. Is it clear? So 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. 2x square minus 3 plus 4. 2x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 2. What is the x value is? Plus or minus 1 by root 2. Plus or minus 1 by root 2 is the x value. Plus or minus 1 by 2 is the x value. One time same answer is the correct one. Plus or minus 1 by 2 is the correct one. So up to 15 problems is completed in second video. Okay, na? Up to 15. Morning network is not clear. That's why I'm going to up to 15 problem is completed. Tomorrow I will discuss 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 mean this exercise is completed tomorrow. Okay, na? Right.